What's going on, everybody? This is Scott, also known as ChaChingKing, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up multiple shipping options in your listings. It's gotten a little bit trickier in recent years, so I want to make sure all of you know how to do it before the holidays roll around, and you may need some other shipping options. So let's go ahead and jump onto the eBay platform and get into this. I always start from my seller hub, and I have a draft ready that I want to show you, and I'll show you where the issue comes about. So this one right here is a 6 site. We normally ship these Ground Advantage, but during the holidays, a lot of people ask you to ship things priority. They want a faster option. And it used to be that I could scroll right down here to where I have the shipping section, and there was a little line that said add a shipping option. And it isn't there anymore. And I think it's because I have the business policies turned on. So what I want to do is I'm going to back up to the seller hub, and let's go to our business policies. And we will look at creating a shipping policy that allows for us to have multiple options. So we're going to create this policy here, and we're going to go down to shipping. And we will put Ground Advantage plus priority. I can name it anything I want in the policies. I could add a policy description, but I'm not going to need it. So on the first one, flat, same cost to every person. And what I'm going to do is I am going to put Ground Advantage right here, and I am going to say that that will cost $5.99. And right here, I can offer an additional service. And I can scroll down here, and I can say USPS Priority Mail, and I can say that that is going to cost $9.99. We're going to set our handling time. Now, this right here is if you want to offer shipping services other than the eBay International Shipping Service. So I'm not doing that. All of mine go through eBay. And at this point, I am going to save it right there. You could go through and exclude them and everything. I do have a video on how to create shipping policies. This one is specific to creating multiple opportunities for one item to ship. So now let's go check out that same draft. Let's go back to my seller hub. Now let's open this one up. And now when I scroll down here, this is what I had it under, was the Ground Advantage. But now I should be able to find, here it is, Ground Advantage plus priority. And when I select this one, it will give me that. Now let's say that I've created this one and it gives people two different options. I can go in here and I can edit the cost for this listing. So right now I've got $5.99 and $9.99. I could change this to $6.99 or this to $8.99. So I can go in and change it even if I've already created a policy. And then we're going to list that. Let's go see what it looks like when a buyer looks at it. So we've created the shipping policy and we've added it to our listing. And what I want to show you now is what the buyer sees. I feel like this is something that eBay could do a little bit better, because when you look at this from a website other than your own eBay page, all it shows down here is the Ground Advantage. If I click on See Details, it will tell the buyer that there are other options available. And let me show you what it looks like when they select those. Let's say that they're going to make an offer on this now, and they click Make an Offer. And when I click Make an Offer, right here on the delivery, they have to go in and change it to the one that they want. Now that I've created this one, they have two options in there. Now let me show you what happens when they click Buy It Now. When a buyer clicks Buy It Now and they get to this page here to review the order, they can change the shipping and it will change the price that they're paying. So you could set up a shipping policy with as many different options as you wanted. But I mean, I set it up with 2, but it's a matter of you just keep adding them until you get a policy that works for you. Local pickup would never work for me. FedEx isn't an option, and UPS is 30 minutes away. So for the most part, for me, all of mine would be post office. So that's the way that I would ship those. So hopefully you found that helpful. Setting up a shipping policy with multiple options is really handy around the holidays when some people are going to be looking to get things faster, and you're not just eating that cost by bumping them up without getting paid for it. So that's it for this one. I truly appreciate you watching, and we'll see you real soon on the next one. Bye.